The most expensive-looking bathrooms in the world share one secret, and it has nothing to do with money. Walk into any five-star hotel bathroom, and that same feeling hits every single time. Clean, calm, expensive. And the reason is not what they added, it is what they took away. Most people spend years adding things to their bathroom, new products, new containers, new decor, and the space still never feels right. That is because the problem is not what is missing, the problem is what is still there. Marcus here. Welcome back to Seniors Cleaning Hacks, the channel that helps you keep your home looking sharp, clean, and beautiful at every age. If this kind of content helps you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and share this video with someone whose bathroom could use a refresh. Let's get into it, counting down from 16. Thing number 16, mismatched plastic soap dispensers. Walk into any hotel bathroom and you will never see a random mix of cheap plastic pump bottles lined up on the sink. Yet in most homes, that is exactly what sits there. Half-empty bottles in different colors, different sizes, different styles, slowly making the whole space look messy without anyone realizing why. Plastic dispensers, especially the cheap kind, yellow over time, crack around the pump, and collect soap residue in the grooves. They are nearly impossible to fully clean. The fix is simple and does not cost much. Replace them with a matching set in glass, ceramic, or stone. Even budget-friendly versions in these materials carry real visual weight. When the containers match and the material feels solid, the countertop immediately looks intentional rather than accidental. One matching set of dispensers does more for a bathroom than most people expect. Thing number 15, expired or clutter-filled medicine cabinets. Most medicine cabinets are stuffed full of products that expired years ago. Old prescription bottles, half-used tubes, hotel-size freebies that never got thrown away. Even though the cabinet is closed, the energy of a cluttered, disorganized cabinet affects the whole space. And whenever it opens in front of a guest, the illusion of a clean bathroom falls apart completely. Go through everything. Toss anything expired, anything unused for more than 6 months, and anything that belongs in a different room. Keep only what gets used regularly. A medicine cabinet with breathing room inside it is just as important as a clean countertop outside. Thing number 14, overcrowded countertops. This one makes the biggest single difference of anything on this list. Clear the countertops completely. Every bottle, every product, every little decorative item. All of it. When every inch of surface is covered, nothing feels special. The eye has nowhere to rest. The room feels loud and busy, even when it is technically clean. Empty space is not wasted space. In design, empty space is called negative space, and it is one of the most powerful tools a decorator uses. Luxury hotel bathrooms understand this completely. Once the surface is cleared, only bring back the 2 or 3 items that genuinely need to be there. That restraint is what creates the calm, expensive feeling that is so hard to put into words, but so easy to feel. If you're finding these tips useful, drop a comment below and let Marcus know. Your feedback helps this channel grow. And please share this with a friend who loves a clean home.
Thing number 13, stacks of books and magazines beside the toilet. This is one of those styling choices that seems like a good idea, but quietly works against the space. A small stack of books beside the toilet looks charming at first. Over time, it collects dust and moisture. Paper absorbs humidity and begins to warp. The spines fade, the whole stack starts looking tired within a few months. Bathrooms are high moisture environments, not ideal for paper at all. Interior designers consistently flag this as one of those habits that ages a space faster than almost anything else. If personality and warmth are the goal, bring them in through a quality candle, a small plant, or a piece of art on the wall. Keep the floor and toilet area simple and clean. Thing number 12, shaggy toilet mats. Fluffy mats wrapped around the base of the toilet seem cozy, but they are genuinely hard to keep clean. They trap moisture, hair, and bacteria in ways that flat rugs simply do not. They also visually weight down the floor of the room, making the space feel heavier and more cramped than it actually is. Switch to a flat, structured bath mat, preferably in a neutral tone that coordinates with the towels. Flat weave cotton or memory foam mats with a tight surface are far easier to wash, dry faster, and look much more refined. The room immediately feels lighter and more open. Thing number 11. Old or discolored toilet brushes. Nobody talks about this one, but a discolored, aging toilet brush in a cracked plastic holder quietly communicates neglect, even in an otherwise spotless bathroom. It is one of those details that people stop noticing because they see it every day. Guests, however, notice it immediately. Upgrade to a minimal closed design holder in matte black, brushed steel, or white ceramic. Wall-mounted versions take the item off the floor entirely, which makes cleaning easier and makes the space look noticeably more polished. It is a small swap that costs very little and changes a lot. Like this video if you are keeping notes, and make sure to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more practical tips every week.
Thing number 10. Half-used dusty candles around the bath. A single beautiful candle near the bath is a luxury touch. 6 partially burned, dusty candles crowded onto the edge of the tub is the opposite. Old candles accumulate dust in the melted wax. The wax itself discolors and pulls away from the sides of the container. What started as something luxurious eventually starts looking neglected. Keep 1 or 2 candles that are genuinely loved and regularly used. When a candle is finished, remove it rather than replacing it immediately. The restraint of having less makes what remains feel intentional and elevated.
Thing number 9. Overloaded open shelves. Open shelves can look stunning, but only when they are edited. When open shelves are packed with different product bottles, random containers, and miscellaneous objects at eye level, they become the dominant visual in the room. The eye keeps scanning and finding no place to settle. The fix is to treat open shelves like a display rather than storage. Leave space between items. Repeat materials, same basket style, same bottle finish. Use 1 or 2 small plants and a few carefully chosen objects. What is behind closed doors can be messy. What is visible needs to look curated. Less is genuinely more here.
Thing number 8. Cheap or worn toilet roll holders. A toilet roll holder is one of those fixtures that rarely gets thought about, but it is touched multiple times a day by every person in the house. When it is a basic chrome piece with no visual weight, loosely attached to the wall, it quietly communicates that the details were not considered. Replace it with something solid, a matte black, brushed gold, or oil-rubbed bronze holder in a heavier gauge metal changes the look of that corner of the room in a meaningful way. It does not cost much, but it communicates quality in a way that a builder-grade plastic version simply cannot.
Thing number 7. Stained or rusting shower shelves. Shower shelves that have rust stains, soap scum buildup, or discoloration from moisture make the entire shower feel neglected, regardless of how clean the tiles are. Because these shelves are seen every single day, they tend to become invisible to the person using the bathroom, but they are not invisible to anyone else. Replace wire or chrome caddies with a tension pole system in brushed nickel, or better yet, swap to a wall-mounted teak or stone shelf. Natural materials resist rust completely and add a spa-like quality to the shower. Reduce what is stored in the shower at the same time. Only what gets used daily needs to be visible. Thing number 6. Bulky freestanding storage units that do not fit the space. A large freestanding shelving unit squeezed between the toilet and the wall or wedged into a corner almost always makes a bathroom feel smaller and more chaotic. It was added for practical reasons, but the visual cost is high. The bathroom loses its sense of openness and the storage unit is rarely attractive. Look for built-in solutions instead. A recessed niche in the wall, a vanity with drawers underneath, or floating shelves that leave the floor visible. Visible floor space is one of the fastest ways to make any bathroom feel larger and more refined. Keeping the floor clear has the same visual effect as adding square footage. Thing number 5. Worn out or mismatched towels. Towels are one of the few things in a bathroom that get touched, used, and seen every single day. When towels are faded, thinning at the edges, or completely mismatched in color and size, they bring down the feel of the entire space, no matter how clean or tidy everything else is. Luxury hotels invest in towels more than almost any other bathroom element because they understand this principle. Switch to a set that is consistent, all white, all cream, or all the same warm neutral. Thick, tightly woven cotton towels that hold their shape through washing are the gold standard. When folded neatly on a rail or rolled on a shelf, matching towels immediately elevate a bathroom from ordinary to considered. Share this video with someone who needs a bathroom refresh. Small changes like this genuinely transform a space.
Thing number 4. Harsh builder-grade mirror lighting. The quality of light in a bathroom affects everything: how the room feels, how the skin looks in the mirror, and how relaxed or clinical the overall atmosphere is. Builder-grade strip lighting above the mirror or a row of exposed globe bulbs tends to cast harsh downward light that flattens features and makes the space feel more like a fitting room than a retreat. Upgrade to a backlit mirror or a diffused sconce on either side of the mirror. Warm white bulbs in the 2700 to 3000 K range mimic natural candlelight and are far more flattering. LED mirrors with built-in dimming are now widely available at accessible price points and completely transform the mood of a bathroom with no renovation required. Thing number 3. Visible cords and plugged-in devices on the countertops. This is a newer problem that most bathroom design advice does not address. Hair dryers, electric toothbrush chargers, shavers, and curling tools left on the countertop with their cords trailing down create visual clutter that is impossible to ignore. Cords on surfaces are one of the fastest ways to make a clean space look disorganized. Use a drawer organizer with a built-in charging slot, or install a small cabinet with a cord outlet inside it. For items used daily, a dedicated hook or holder inside a cabinet keeps them accessible but invisible. The countertop should hold only what is essential. Everything else belongs behind a door or inside a drawer. Thing number 2. Artificial or dying plants. A dusty artificial plant in the corner of a bathroom, or a real plant that has been neglected and is yellowing at the leaves, does more damage than an empty shelf would. Fake plants in bathrooms are immediately obvious. The plastic leaves collect dust, and the colors fade under artificial light. Dying real plants signal neglect louder than almost any other detail. Either remove plants entirely or replace them with one thriving plant that genuinely suits the bathroom environment. Pothos, peace lilies, and snake plants do exceptionally well in low light, high humidity conditions. One healthy green plant in a simple ceramic pot adds life and freshness that no other accessory can replicate. If the plant cannot be maintained, leave the space empty. Negative space always beats a dying plant.
Thing number 1. Anything that makes the daily routine feel like a chore. This is the most important one on the entire list, and it gets overlooked constantly. Every bathroom has at least 1 or 2 things that are slightly awkward: a product that is hard to reach, a drawer that sticks, a towel rail that is positioned inconveniently, a step in the routine that requires working around something. These small frictions add up. When the environment does not support the routine suffers. Reorganize with honest attention to what actually happens in that room each morning and evening. Put the things used first within immediate reach. Move obstacles out of the way. Make the space work with the routine rather than against it.
A bathroom that supports good daily habits is not just more pleasant, it genuinely makes every day run more smoothly. That is all 16 things to remove from the bathroom if the goal is a space that looks calm, clean, and genuinely expensive. None of these require a renovation. Most of them require nothing more than removing something that was already there. The secret that every luxury hotel bathroom understands is this: quality beats quantity every single time. It is not about adding more. It is about being selective with what stays. Marcus and the entire Seniors Cleaning Hacks team appreciate every single person watching this channel. If this video gives at least one useful idea, please like it, share it with someone who loves a tidy home, and subscribe so the next video comes straight to the feed. Comments are always read. Drop a question or tell Marcus which of these 16 things made the biggest difference. See you in the next one.